Now student, we are going to solve that exercise 2.3 question number 4. Find the quotient and remainder. And we are going to solve the first question, that 4 Roman 1 x cube minus 4x square plus 2x plus 5 is divided by x minus 2. Now let's have a look how to solve this one. There are total 4 Roman 1 2 3 4. There are total 4 sums, and I'm going to solve the first sum now. Let's have a look how to solve this. Now look student, that question number 4 Roman 1, px is given and dx is also given. We have to find out qx and rx. Qx means the quotient, rx is a remainder, and dx is a divisor, which means this px will be divisible by x minus 2, and we have to find out that quotient and remainder now. So here I am going to solve this question by long division method. Now look, what is the long division method? Look student, there is x cube and there is x minus 2. For dividing the long division in polynomial, we have to check which one is the highest power. There is highest power means x cube, then x square, then x. So there is x minus 2. Now look, if I going to solve this one, there is x cube. If I write here x square only, x square into x means x cube. I repeat again, don't confuse. X square into x means x cube, and minus 2 into x square, minus 2 into x square means minus 2x square. Now in long division method student, you have to remember that the sign of the second line will change. This plus become minus and this minus become plus. Look, plus and minus cancel. Now there is minus 4 and plus 2. Now look, minus 4 and plus 2, which one is the bigger number? Minus 4 is the bigger number, so there will be minus. 4 minus 2 is 2x square. Now 2x plus 5. Now after that, if there is minus 2x square, there is minus 2x square and there is only x, so we have to put such a value so that if we multiply with this one, we will get this value. So minus 2x square, so there will write only minus 2x. Look, minus 2x into x means minus 2x square. Now minus and minus plus, plus and 2 into 2, 4. So plus 4x will be here. Now again second line will be changed. So minus become plus and plus become minus. This will cancel. Now there is minus 4x plus 2x. Minus 4 and plus 2, which one is bigger number? Minus 4. Minus 4. Minus 4 and plus 2. Answer would be minus 2x here. Now there is plus 5. Next one. Now in the last one. So if there is minus 2x and there is x minus 2, I will just put down here minus 2. Minus 2 into x, there is minus 2x, and 2 into 2, 4. Now look, sign will be changed again, that this one cancel and this become minus. So 5 minus 4, there is 1, remainder is 1. Now here, this is the quotient. So here we'll write that qx is the quotient, and the quotient is x square minus 2x minus 2. Remainder is 1, means rx is the remainder. This is the answer of 4 Roman 1. Simple division, long division to finding the quotient and remainder. Look student, this is 4 Roman 2. Px is given 4x cube minus 2x square minus 3, and dx is given 2x square minus 1. Qx and rx we have to find out. Dx means the divisor and px is the dividend here. If I go for the long division here, and we have to find out quotient and remainder. Now after that, now look student, this is dx, 2x square minus 1, and this is 4x cube minus 2x square minus 3. Now look, we have to divide this value with this one. We have to check the highest power here first before long division. In the polynomial, highest power is 4x cube and there is 2x square. So here there is 2x square already and there is 4x cube. Now if I write here only 2x, 2 into 2, 4, x into x square is x cube. So if I write here only 2x, multiply with 2x square, so 2 to the 4, x square into x, x cube. Now they are minus 1 and 2x. So here I will write that minus 2x. But look student, there is x square, then 3. There is no such value having 2x. So I will write here there is minus 2x. I repeat again, 2x square I could have been right here, I could have been right here also, but there is x cube x square, no such value having 2x or no such term here containing x. That's why I have to write separate this one. Now look, after that go for the division. So in the polynomial division, the long division method, the sign of the second line will change. So this plus become minus and this minus become plus, so this will cancel. So answer would be minus 2x square, there is minus 3, and this minus become plus, so plus 2x. Now look, what is the next one? So there is minus 2x square and there is only 2x square. So if I just put down here minus 1 into 2x square, so it becomes minus 2x square, and minus minus plus 1 is 1, so plus 1 will be here. So this sign will change, this sign will change, cancel. Minus 3 minus 1, which means minus 4, and plus 2x will be here. So this is the remainder, this is the quotient. So here I will write that qx means quotient is 2x minus 1 and remainder is 2x minus 4. This is the answer of 4 Roman 2. Now student, look, this is the question of 4 Roman 3. Px and dx is given, means polynomial, means divisand and the divisor is given. We have to find out quotient. Quotient means qx we have to find out here, and remainder we have to find out here. We'll go for the long division here again, like the previous one we did. Now look, first of all we'll write here that 3x cube minus 5x square plus 10x minus 3, and there is 3x plus 1. We'll go for the long division now. Now look, after that 3x cube, there is 3x cube, highest power is 3x cube, and there is 3x only. Now look, if there is 3x and there is 3x cube, so I will just write here that x square. Look, 3x into x square means 3x cube. I repeat again, 3x into x square is 3x cube. Now plus 1 into x square is only x square. Now sign will change, this become minus and this also become minus, this is cancel, plus minus cancel. Minus 5 and minus 1 means minus 6x square. Minus 5 minus 1 minus 6x square. Now look, plus 10x minus 3. Now next one, there is minus 6x square, there is only 3x. So if I write here minus 2x only, so look, 3 2s are 6, x into x, x square, plus and minus minus. Now minus 2x plus 1 means minus twice x only. Again go for the changing the sign, this plus become minus become plus. Now this will cancel, and there is a 10, and this now minus become plus. 10 plus 2 12, 12x minus 3. Now look, for the last one there is 12x and there is only 3x. So only if I write down that 4 3s are 12x. Now 4 1s are 4. Next would be this become minus, this also become minus, this is cancelled. So minus 4 minus 3 means minus 7. So here we can write here that the quotient means qx is x square minus twice x plus 4, and remainder equal to minus 7. This is the answer of 4 Roman 3. Student, this is the question number 4 Roman 4, px dx. But student, in some book you can see that it is a dx, in some book it is gx. So gx means divisor, dx is also divisor, and qx is the quotient, rx is the remainder. This is the question. We are now going to divide this by long division. Let's have a look how to divide this one. Look now student, first one is x to the power 11, there is x only. So if I multiply this value with x to the power 10, 10 into x means x to the power 11, but there is no such value or no such term containing x to the power 10. So we'll write here that plus x to the power 10 here only. Now after that second line means sign will be changed, so minus, and this become also minus, this is cancel. Minus 5 and there is minus x to the power 10. Now look student, here x to the power 10, so next value would be here minus x to the power 9. So minus x to the power 9 into x means it becomes minus x to the power 10. I repeat again, there is, if I write minus x to the power 9 into x means it becomes x to the power 10, and no such elements, no such terms containing x to the power 9, so we'll write that here minus x to the power 9. Now next would be this become plus and this also become plus, this is cancel, minus 5 then plus x to the power 9. Next one student, after that look here x to the power 9, I will just write down here x to the power 8 into x, which means x to the power 9, and note such terms containing that x to the power 9 here, so x to the power 8 here, so we'll write that one, the here x to the power 8, and this become minus, this also become minus, cancel. Now minus 5 and minus x to the power 8. Now next one would be minus x to the power 8. So here I will just write down minus x to the power 7 into x, which means minus x to the power 8. And after that, and there is, we'll write that minus x to the power 7 here. Now again this will become plus, this also become plus, cancel these two, minus and plus x to the power 7. Now next after that, there is, write x to the power 6 into x, which becomes x to the power 6, and sorry, here x to the power 7, and there is x to the power 6. Now next sign will change again sign will change, second line sign will change, so this cancel, minus 5 and minus x to the power 6 again. Now next after that there is minus x to the power 6, so we'll write here that minus x to the power 5, minus x to the power 5 and x, which means it becomes minus x to the power 6 here, and if there is minus x to the power 5, so here also minus x to the power 5. So now this minus become plus, this minus become plus, cancel this, minus 5 and plus x to the power 5. In the next line after that there is x to the power 5 and there is only x, so we'll put the value here that plus x to the power 4 into x, which means here plus x to the power 5, and with 1 after multiplying x to the power 4 become x to the power 4. Now this become minus, this also become minus, cancel this one, minus 5 and minus x to the power 4. Now next one would be, if there is minus to the power 4, so here we'll write that minus x cube, and there is x only, so minus x to the power 4, and if I multiply with this value with minus plus 1, so it becomes minus x cube. Now just after that plus, and this also plus, cancel this, minus 5 and plus x cube, and last one would be after that x cube is there, so we'll put down here the value of x square only, x square into x. Now it becomes x cube, then x square here, so this become minus and minus, cancel these two, minus 5 and minus x square. Now last one would be, if I put down here the value as there is minus x square, so if I write down only x, so only x into x, which means minus x square, and then one minus x, so this become plus, this also become plus, cancel these two, minus 5 and plus x. This is the remainder, not remainder, but after that if I just write down, I repeat again, if I just write down after that only plus 1, so here x and there is only 1. Now look, it becomes minus and this also become minus, cancel this one, minus 1 is minus 6. So here student, after that the quotient will be and remainder will be, I'm writing now. So student, question number 4 Roman 4, the quotient is this one as you can see in the video, and remainder is minus 6. So you have to watch the whole video, and after that you have to write in your copy. Thank you.